flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down, warming our heart, finding new bones, trying to find a place we call home.
Good morning. It is day 6, I think, of our Florida trip. You can probably tell from my ears that we are off to Animal Kingdom this morning. Early extra magic hours, whatever they're called these days for resort guests, was at 7:30, and it is 7:30 now, so we have missed that. That is very early though. So we'll be there probably just before 8. And I think our plan is to head straight to Everest and then maybe try and do Flight of Passage a little bit later, because we haven't done Flight of Passage yet or really done anything in Pandora, and we do like Pandora, don't we?
Yeah.
So, but Everest is our favourite, so we're going to try and rope drop that. And then yeah, we're only going to be here for a few hours this morning, just get done what we can, and then we're going to be back at the resort for a nice nap and swim before we have the Halloween party tonight. You excited for the party?
Yeah, can't wait for the party.
We've never done a Halloween party before, we've only ever done Christmas, so it'll be good to try something new. Let's go to Animal Kingdom. And we have finally made it to Animal Kingdom. The buses were mad this morning, absolutely mad. The queue for Magic Kingdom was like nothing I've ever seen in my life, but we're here now and we are heading straight for Everest. Excited? Oh, the view of the Tree of Life never gets old. So we've just done Everest twice. It was a complete walk on both times, and we managed to get the front row the second time, which we've never ever done before. It was good, weren't it?
Yeah.
And we've now just been to the Trek snack bar, which is next to Everest, and got some breakfast. It's a sausage, egg and cheese biscuit sandwich, which should fill a hole, shouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
How did you find Everest?
Brilliant. Lovely.
Time for breakfast now. We've just done Flight of Passage. What did you think?
Yeah, brilliant. Love that ride.
It was really good. It does get me a little tiny bit motion sick, so we...
You struggle on these ones. Yeah,
I'm not good with anything like a simulator, but we're getting there. We're going to try and see if we can do the Festival of Lion King now.
Oh, look at you loaded up.
We've got our Starbucks and we are just doing the little walk trail round just by the Tree of Life. We watched the Festival of Lion King, which was great, weren't it?
Yeah.
And yeah, we've got iced white mocha and you've got your strawberry acai, haven't you?
Yum.
And we've never actually done this, have we?
And then got my name right.
Oh yeah, normally you're Alife when you come here, but they got you as Alfie today. Alife.
They are extremely good predators. They have super powerful jaws they use to crush through their prey with. They are what we would call an ambush predator. So what they like to do is they hang out in the water here. They kind of blend in because see how their scales. We're gonna look off here to our left just for a second. We're gonna see if we can spot anything over here that way. And so this, so on this zebra has a black nose. So that base color is gonna be black with white stripes. But it's actually their skin itself has that stripe pattern. So it's not just their coats, but the skin itself. Prehensile tongues they have to reach up, grab that vegetation, pull it down off the trees. You can really see how they do all look different from each other, really just making, in comparison to the black rhino populations, how I mentioned there's only about 5,000 of them left. White rhino populations are a bit better, but they're still facing those threats. So it's great that we've successfully had 3 baby white rhinos.
Oh, he's running!
There is an animal there out on the hill.
Just had a very good safari, saw lots of elephants and rhinos, giraffes, saw all the favourites. So that's probably our last ride here today.
Yeah, and now we're off to...
About 11:30. But we're going to head back to the resort for some chilling around the pool before we get ready for the Halloween party.
See it.
That's the whole point, it blends in so well. Is there moanas there? Bye, Animal Kingdom! We've enjoyed a nice swim at the pool and a nap, and now we are Halloween party ready. Let's go!
Honey, deep into your right hand side, reach your back to your treats. Eyes and treats are going to be to your right. It's $10.
Halloween party ready!
Looking fab.
There's some good costumes already.
No.
Excited?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, let's go and get our first trick or treats of the night. Let's do this!
Let's do this! Ready to fill up?
Oh yeah! Oh, really cold. Snickers almond brownie.
Ooh, nice. I got it.
So the party has now officially started. It's 7 o'clock. We've already done, since we've got here, Haunted Mansion and Big Thunder. And I think we've just eaten as well in Cosmic Rays, so we are ready to go. I think we're going to try and do Space Mountain, as that is one of the rides with an overlay. I think it's completely in the dark. No lights, so that could be quite scary. But yeah, let's see what it's like.
Party's gonna be here too. Yes. And happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! You're having a good time. Come Looking good, Mom. Looking good, Mom. Way to go. Oh, yeah.
We done Space Mountain. It was fully pitch black. It was very intense. It's difficult because you can't lean into the bends. It was good though, weren't it?
Yeah, brilliant. Loved it.
We really liked it. So we've done a bit of shopping in the Emporium to get some of the event exclusive merch. And now we are heading towards Pirates, which is another one of the overlays for the party. So yeah, time for Pirates.
Please exploit me, just don't stop and help me.
Let's film the convict. Very fun. Come on, Mom. For the rest of my day. Wahoo! When all at once somebody heard a bright mountain star blowing through the ragged sky and up a cloudy road.
Trick-or-treating! All the costumes!
And the candy! The pillow! Oh boy! This is gonna be fun! It's scary! Well, maybe more not so scary times. Let's go!
Hey, we kiss, we schmooze, we carry on, we go home happy. What is
You would have called, we would have invited you for sure. We're not worthy. Maleficent, she's greener than I thought, and those horse.
I'll consider it but an oversight then.
Perhaps you can help us with our hocus pocus fog